Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. I would truly appreciate it for all the love and support. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I'm posting. Today's video is going to be a little wrong season. It's kind of a summery or spring look, but I really wanted to do it. I really want to try it. So this is like a summer, I'm naming it, sorry, I'm naming it a summer watermelon look. It's a eye look. It's a pink and green look, and it reminds me of watermelon, which reminds most people of the summer or spring. So we're kind of going to be getting that vibe from this look. Excuse my voice, I don't know what's going on. We're kind of going to be getting that vibe from this look, but I don't care. We're bringing it in early. So let's get started. So today I'm going to be going into my Morphe Social Butterfly palette and either this Urban Decay palette that is all smashed up. When you have kids, things happen. So I've got a green in here that I want to try. I don't know if it's the right green. It's right there over that yellow right there. I want to try that. I just don't know if it's the right green. And then I have another palette. This is the BH Cosmetics. So I want to try some of these greens maybe. I don't know, but I'm going to be dipping into besties, hashtag besties for my Social Butterfly and hashtag Bay to try to get like a perfect pink. And I might just have to go into these two colors because I don't think that the color in the Urban Decay is going to be the right one. So we'll see. We'll see. I have prepped my eyes with concealer and powder. So we're just going to go right into this. Taking this fluffy M214 brush from Morphe. I'm going to dip into hashtag Bay first. I think that might be the best way to, you know what? I'm going to go into hashtag makeover. Just putting that, I don't want it too high, like under the brow bone, but I think I want it in my crease. And I kind of want this to be a blown out look. So I'm like bringing it out and into my inner corner. Next, I'm going in with my Morphe M139 brush, and I'm gonna go into hashtag besties. This is where we're really gonna get the look that we're trying to achieve here. And I'm laying the brush like flat on my lid so that it can blend into my crease. Now I'm going to go in with this smudge brush, and this is where a little difficulties come in because I'm not sure what green I want to go with. I think I'm going to start with this brighter green right here. These are all foiled, which I'm not happy about, but this is what I have right now, so it's okay. So I'm just going to put this all over my lid, making sure to just kind of pat it on for now. Now I'm going to take this detailed blending brush from e.l.f. and I'm just going to blend these two colors in a circular motion and windshield wipers. I feel like it's not showing up green on camera. I don't know why, but I feel like it's not. I feel like it's showing up a completely different color. Let me change my lighting a little bit. I feel like that may have helped a bit. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to take this 149 brush from Morphe, and I'm going to take the green and put it right up under my lower lash, making sure to get as close as I can. I know this might look a little crazy, but it's actually doing exactly what I want it to. So now I'm going to take another small brush like that just because I want to make sure it's clean. Make sure that this green has a lot of fallout, which really sucks because it can ruin this look if I let it. So I'm going to take this detailed brush and I'm going to take the pink hashtag besties and I'm going to bring that underneath. Actually, I'm going to use a bigger brush. I'm going to use this eye crease brush. It's a crease brush, but we ain't using it for our crease today. And I'm connecting everything, so it's like a colorful raccoon eye, if you will. So now it really is like a colorful raccoon. So now I'm going to go in with eyeliner. I'm going to do I'm not going to do a huge wing because I want the focus to be on the two colors. So I'm going to take my, this is NYX Epic Liner, Epic Ink Liner. You see how much different, almost better it looks? So now going in with a pencil liner. Mine is really small, I need a new one. I'm going to line my waterline. Starting to look better. Everything always looks better once you put your lashes on. Although I don't think that the lashes that I have are going to do any justice to this look. But I'm going to put them on and I will be back. So here we are with the eyes. I absolutely love them. If you were feeling like, man, where's she going with this? She's looking like a little raccoon. A sick raccoon at that. No, it looks good. I like it. So now we're going to move on to my cheeks and lips and finish this up. So if you saw my last video, you saw that I did a review to this highlight palette and I absolutely loved it. So I'm going to be dipping into this again today and I'm going to be highlighting with, I want to say Gleam. This middle color right here. Going in with this brush from Sonia Crochet. Y'all know. Oh, wow. We went a little overboard. I didn't even notice. Oh, that sucks. I didn't even realize I was using so much. Oh my gosh. This stuff is really good. That is a highlight. Highlight. We're gonna tone it down. Don't worry. Oh, I don't think it does. Try to blend that in as much as possible. The eyebrow is good. I'm gonna dip into my powder because I did not mean to go that overboard with this. This is Dollar General or Family Dollar highlighter, you guys. And it did that. Just put it under my powder so that it's not so blinding. This is blinding highlight for $8, guys. Check out my review to this. On to lips. We're just gonna do something really natural, neutral with the lips. They're gonna be slightly dark, but I got this NYX Lingerie. So, what shade is this? I mean, it probably is telling, and I just don't. Confident? Probably. Confident. And it's like a neutral, it's like a purple nude. I like it. Next, I'm going to go in with this Tarte Lip Paint Insta Famous. Next, I'm going in with a black liner. And I'm just going to line this a little bit.